So let's start today's explanation, and we are starting from physics. So the first question says that we have ball in the same height, and one ball is dropped by h, and one ball is dropped from this incline. There's no friction, so this means this has the kinetic energy, and this has a potential energy which transfers to the kinetic energy. So their energies are equal. So this means that mv in square divided by 2 is the formula of the kinetic energy. So the speed of this equals to this. So because their height is the same, its speed also this, and including that there is no friction, they are equal, so they will drop in at the same time though. So the correct answer is A. And second question say that we have proton, uh, and in the radius of 1 centimeter there's two fields, like electric field and gravitational field. The formula of electric field is this, and the formula of gravitational field is this. And the question says that which is stronger. By calculations, the electric field equals to this, and gravitational field equals to this from this distance. So we know, and it's vivid that this is more stronger than this. The correct answer is electric field is stronger. So the third question say that uh, we have two uh, two gas with the same kinetic energy, but the mass of the first is 4, it's helium, and the mass of the second is 32, it's oxygen. And we have to find the ratio of their speeds. By using this formula, we are equalizing them and doing math. V1 and V2 in square equals to 8, so their ratio equals to the correct answer is B. And the first question say that we have body in the inclined ramp. So the body is accelerating, there is no friction, and we have a string there. So the string is compressed by delta x. We have to f- uh, we have to show the value of k by the given things. So we know that this potential energy is mg hash, and it transfers to kinetic energy. So the potential energy of the string is k uh, x in square divided by 2 is equals to the potential energy of this body. So these two go there, so this x go there, so k equals to this. uh, the correct answer is E. Fifth question state that states fifth question state that uh, we have two springs with the same value of k, and this the mass of ma is twice lower than the mass of b. So if they are koyuvarılgen, like if we let them go, or how to say, the bigger mass has greater acceleration than this mass, if we think logically, because its weight is more, like a weight means like f. The sixth question said that we have an ice, and water with the same temperature, and we are living in the container. So the container, after some hour, we are looking that they didn't change. The ice remained this temperature, and uh, the water remained the same temperature with no loss, because this needs additional temperature, additional additional energy or heat to become water at the same temperature. And water is needed to get rid of some energy or heat to become ice to zero, but there's no energy from outside, so this means they are remaining the same. The correct answer is E. The seventh question say that uh, we have spring is stretched by 5 centimeters, the mass 2 kilograms, and K is this. Uh, if we like koyarsak, what will be the acceleration of this? You know that F equals to this, and instead of F I'm putting ma, so ma equals to k delta x. A equals to this multiplied by this and divided by this. Just putting numbers, this should be in meters, so the acceleration is this. So eighth question say that we have 1 volt. According to this rule, the volt equals to ampere multiplied by ohm. So correct answer is A. Next question say that we have body moving to this direction in 5 seconds with this acceleration. The first velocity, initial velocity equals to 2 meter seconds and travel 8 centimeters. By using formula, uh, we are getting that A is negative, so it means the A is in the opposite direction with this body. So the final velocity's direction is the same with the final. So the correct answer is E, which states this and this on both of sides. So, in 10th question, we have this sphere which start charged and point P. The point P, the electric field is inversely proportionalized by the square of the radius or distance of this point. So the correct answer is D. 11th question says that we have a ball and we throw and it falls down. So if we throw, the gravitational force does negative work, and it rises, the gravitational force does positive work. The correct answer is B. 12th question said that according to Stevens' law, this is hydrostatic pressure, and hydrostatic pressure uh, is right proportionalized with h, the depth. So the higher the depth, the higher the hydrostatic pressure. This means the correct answer is E. So turning to logics, a man has scarves, 5 red scarves, 5 green scarves, 5 white scarves, and hats, 555. So at home he doesn't have electricity, so he has to choose randomly those clothes. But he would like to wear both white scarf and white scarf. And the worst situation can be when he took 5 red and 5 green after one white scarf, so 11 attempts. So in terms of heads, the same. The worst situation can be he took 5 red and 5 green and final 1 white. So also 11. So if we're combining them, the worst combination can be 10 combination with different and 10 combination with different, but one combination uh, is both white and white. It's 21. The correct answer is B. So the 14th question states that each driver has to have jacket, reflector, or and the triangle. If this rule is broken, this means a driver doesn't has or this or both of them. So the A states that a driver doesn't doesn't have this or this. So that's the most correct. The proper answer is A. And 15th question says that the building cannot be used as a residential building if it doesn't have some water or have uh, like good water or energy. So if it should be granted, we have to have this. So it's necessarily, but it's not sufficient. So a law is always applied. So it means that if it is done, so the guarantee can be guaranteed. So the correct answer is C. Uh, I cannot explain in a proper way because uh, I don't know exactly. So with hope, I will know the exact answer. The 16th question said that in school, some took exam and not all didn't took exam. So this means some took exam, at least one took that exam, not all took exam, at least one who didn't take the exam. The option A said that not all took the exam, but at least one student did, which uh, uh, which makes sense in both sides. 17th question is just easy. We have these numbers. If we put signs to get plus 15, the correct answer is A. 18 said that who loves sports loves football. All young people love sports. Anita loves sports. If Anita loves sports, it means Anita loves football. But Anita can be either young, either old. There's no guarantee, but the guarantee that she loves football is guaranteed. Sure, the correct answer is C. So, bye.